We want to take the derivative of this function 2x minus 5 to the 10th power. Now we could do this writing 2x minus 5 times itself 10 times and use a bunch of product rules. That would take forever. You could even distribute out 2x minus 5 10 times and use the power rule a bunch, which would also be a nightmare. So instead, let's use the chain rule. So if we want to take the derivative here, I'll say dy dx as the notation for this derivative. What we do is we take the derivative of the outside function. What's the outside function here? What do I mean when I say that? Well, it's the 10th power function. That's the function on the outside. The 2x minus 5 is composed inside of the 10th power function. So what's the derivative of x to the 10th? Well, the power rule says it's 10x to the 9th. Multiply by the power, subtract 1. But the chain rule says we keep the inside function. So we just keep the 2x minus 5 on the inside. You leave that alone. But here comes the chain rule part. We multiply this by the derivative of that inside function. What's the derivative of 2x? It's 2. What's the derivative of minus 5? It's 0. And hey, there we go. We're actually done taking the derivative. Take a second if you like to clean this up. You could do 2 times 10 is 20 times 2x minus 5 to the 9th. The chain rule just saved us a ton of time.